Once again, you can press the Windows button, then search for user equilibrium assignment. Windows button, then user equilibrium assignments.
User equilibrium.
Calendar step.
User equilibrium.
The network file.
Files.
Network. Application matrix. So in the user equilibrium application on the network, you will navigate to folder step 4, then select network case 01 baseline. Step 4. You'll find these two files. So our network is the baseline, network baseline. Open. Then the next input file is the assignment parameters. Also in folder step 4, we're going to find this parameter file that is ending .par. Network. Folder hiyo step. Okay.
Hata yamepotea kabisa. Kwa network.
Yes, it's parameter. So the option of any networks.
My network. Engine parameter, click. Yes,
The assignment parameters, the OD matrix. You'll navigate the new OD that we have saved, which is in step 3. This one, 2023, ending with 7v2. So make sure that the network file, you'll find it in step 4, which is network case 01 baseline. The assignment parameter, you're going to find it in the step 4 folder, which is ending .par. And then the OD matrix is the new file that we have saved, which you'll find it in step 3 folder. So is everyone having the 3 inputs of network, assignment parameters, and OD matrix? So we're going to specify where are we going to save these assignment results. So in the output files section, then assignment results. Then you'll save it in step 4 folder. Then the type You're going to change it from IRE to CSV, save as type. Then you're going to replace this IRE baseline. Make sure the save as type is CSV version 2, type CSV. And you're in folder step 4. Then select IRE baseline. Then you
duplicate two versions.
Well, they do.
So once again, make sure input files, network, assignment parameters, the OD matrix, then the assignment results, you have specified where it's going to be saved in step 4 folder, and the type is going to be CSV. Then you can press calculate. Then you're going to give it time.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
First, 109.
That's 12 minutes.
1 minute.
Right.
Still simple. Yesterday I developed the IRA file, so you can open the IRA.
So I think we're opening the network.
Step 4. Step 4 for them. This is assigned results, so you can difference it.
Wakitaki IR, wanataka CSV. Ni kama hivyo, and then zapima hii side. And then save. And then this, because this is calculation of
Iteration.
Aku dah siap, dah for highway ni. Di highway
But-
visualizer ni. Ini CSV. CSV tu buat apa ni? Kemudian file tu, ini foto tu. Saya kemana? Screen ni buat apa? Highway phone. So saya nak foto ni. Nanti highway buat apa?
Gaming.
Yang besar. Kemana? Naik. First, I said, come see. Because yes, we have this. Like, I'm going to
We did calculation.
it's a robot. I think that's
Nice. Previous questions. You can check the assignment results as shown in this highway reporter. So it's a different model. However, this times I requested you to save the traffic assignment results in the CSV format. So you can. There are a lot of figures is recorded until the column DC. Then, when you finish the calculations, please open this Excel files. I are in calibration files. Gives a number.
So when the calculation was over, you can go to your folder in step 4. So when you open folder step 4, you will find there's a file called IRE calibration. Because it's and again, you're going to open the IRE baseline also. So open the two files, IRE calibration and IRE baseline.
Ipo kusoma zote mbili.
IRE calibrations and IRE for baseline. In the IRE calibration Excel file, you'll see there's a link name, node I, node J, length, V max, Q max, V type, direction of 1, all the way up to 10 for the different mode, the average velocity in the upward direction, and the peak velocity in the upward direction. So we are going to see all these columns. And all of them are empty. When you're going up,
you can delete it.
so for some, when you press the delete button, for some it will work and for others it won't work.
You need to turn on the macro, please. To make it.
So if you get the macro, so to enable it, you can close the IRE calibration. And then on the properties of the IRE calibration Excel file, right click on it, then go on properties. Maybe then on this page, make sure you select unblock. The IRE calibration Excel file, right click on it, then properties. Then down here, there's a security option, then check unblock. So this is for those people who got an error when you pressed delete and it was saying that the macro was not enabled. So, okay. So when you open again the IRE calibration file, so it's going to ask you to enable macro. Yes, you are going to enable content. So if you go to column DE, you'll see that there's some data.
Oh, you can exit.
But now when you press delete, it deletes everything.
No, you can.
Yes. So the points for that calibration of the marks. Take the link. Like just you do the various na kawaii. That was in the sounds.
Should we delete, please?
Not that one. Just operate.
Let me fix this. It's okay. So anyway, please open to the IRE CSV files.
So open IRE baseline, the Excel file, you're going to see this data. So we are going to copy everything.
From column 3. Yes, cells AC.
So cell A3. If you want to select everything going down, you press Shift, Control, then the down one arrow. Then if you want to select everything going to the right, again Shift, Control, then the right arrow. So you can copy, then go to the IRE calibration file, then select A2 cell. Then paste.
You can identify what is the meanings of the figures.
So at the moment, all this data, you might not understand what it means, but to visualize, there's a tab you're going to
Select it, but on the CEO. Shift way to Z.
Some in where we are pasting in column.
row. Starting from A2.
From
A2 cell.
A2.
And then paste.
What?
Number one ini, number A2. It's really a blink. I qualify image. Blink. It's on that.
Dia masih pakai tinggi.
Next nimemaliza.
Yeah, why just
Legend, yeah.
Yeah. And this traffic views, you can see that some two summary to columns. And this traffic volume is you can check the formula about each. Yeah, but very complicated formula is described. So how many traffics by the tricycle, motorcycle, taxis, a private car, mini matatsu or bus is modeled, as is visualized. Okay? Then this oral meanings are locations of the traffic survey count. Then you can go back to the other thing. From A. Yes. And according to the screen line, border line, and some other traffic counts, totally 70 of the traffic survey count locations is collected, and how many traffics is observed. Then over to the screen. Yes, then the converted into the travel modes and there how many traffics in terms of passenger car units per day per two directions is then the total traffic count and the 24-hour total traffic count in the models and the actual situations is compared. Then the traffic assignment results is validated. But there's all these tables doesn't seem to be the latest one. So this figure is not so good. So I will share some latest one and we'll share the actual situations. However, if, for example, this sections, the actual traffic is higher than the modeled traffic is lower than the actual traffic. In that cases, the link information, including the speed or capacity or something, must be modified so that it must be same amount, close to the range of this dot line of the traffic count. That's why I prepared the old version of ODT. I didn't mistake it. So, like this, so that this link must be reviewed and modified the link day by day. As a result, then the traffic OD tables and the net transport network for the baseline with the so-called reasonably accurate to demand forecasting. This is a process for the demand forecasting. There's to develop the baseline OD tables and network